Alright, quick update on DogelonMars. So it looks like Elon is breaking to the upside of this bull flag that we've been talking about for our past couple of videos. So let me realign this to make it make sense on the 4-hourly. I think something like this is very valid. You can see that we've broken out the top of this now. So this is what we've been looking for. Personally, I'm still waiting for a daily close. Both outside of this bull flag, but specifically I'd like to see a close above the previous red candle that we put in yesterday. So we'd have a nice green red green formation. I think it would be very nice if we had doesn't necessarily have to be an engulfing candle, but I think it'd be super healthy if we did manage to have a break and a daily close above 1031. So that's basically all I wanted to update you on Dogelon. We don't really have much buying volume coming in right now. We did have an okay amount of buying volume when we did break out of this, but all in all, the move really hasn't started yet. I think we're potentially looking at a cusp of a very explosive move coming for Elon, because like we've been saying, we believe that this is going to be the bottom, or at least I believe this is going to be the bottom for DogelonMars. We've broken up above our first major 618 Fibonacci region. And all in all, I mean, Elon is really leading the Dogecoin rally right now. I mean, if we look at Shiba right now, you can really see it's been going sideways for months and months. If we look at Dogecoin, Dogecoin is starting to break out, but I mean, as well, we're really not having that big of a bounce. We're below the macro 786. SHIB is below the macro 618. But Elon's leading the rally. We're miles above the 618 now, and we're coming for the 0.5. So all in all, I think DogelonMars looks like the healthiest setup out of all the dog coins. This is why I personally do hold about 2% of my portfolio in DogelonMars, and I am waiting for a close to hopefully happen above, like I said, the 1031. We're currently above it right now. Anything could change in the next couple of hours, so I'm being a little bit conservative. I'm going to wait to see if we've got a close, and then if we do have a close, I will potentially add to my Elon position, because if we look at what we've got going on right now, you can see the next major level up. You could talk about the 0.5, but in my opinion, we've shattered above the macro 618 from low to high. I'd now be looking for us to break above the 618 from high to low. So drawing our 618 from high to low, you can see, at least in my opinion, this would be the biggest level of resistance that we do have coming in for Elon, and I think this would be a very strong magnet for the price action to move up to, for multiple reasons. We've got, you know, a bull flag right now. We've got a very clear bottoming signal over here. We finally flipped the 200-day moving average as support. We flipped the 618 as support. So now, in my opinion, the next level to keep your eyes on is the 618 from high to low. That is all the way up here at 1852. That is approximately from where we are now, about a 78% increase. So nothing to play with. A very nice trade. Definitely a trade that I do plan on taking myself. Obviously not financial advice. This is just how I plan on navigating the market, how I plan on basically trading DogelonMars if we do have this daily close. So keep an eye out on that level, 1032. If we have a daily close above 1032, then I will be adding a slight amount to my DogelonMars position. Now, like I said, it only takes up about 2% of my portfolio. I'm going to increase that just by a very small amount. My thesis on DogelonMars is I believe it will do a 20x, if not a 25x, in the next coming bull cycle. If we're about to enter that bull cycle now, that could mean in the next year, in this year, that DogelonMars could go up and do a face rip of, you know, 20x. I believe the DogelonMars market cap is, I believe it's either 20 or 40 times cheaper than Dogecoin and Shiba and its other, you know, Dogecoin competitors. And I think DogelonMars has a lot of potential. So I'm keeping my eyes on a move like this. I don't think it's too much to ask for a very, very low market cap coin like DogelonMars to go up 78% when we've got all of this bullish confluence coming in. So you know what I'm waiting for, 1032 if we have a daily close above there. And yeah, basically 1032, if we close above there, I'll be entering another trade for Dogelon. Best of luck if you're in Dogelon, best of luck if you plan on making a trade. Once again, none of this is financial advice, it's just how I plan on navigating the market, how I plan on trading, and yeah, cowboy out, peace.